Hey everyone, it's Dina, and today is part three of how to set up a shop on your business page on Facebook. And the first thing is if you set it up correctly, your all the background information, you'll have a tab on the left that says shop. If you do not see that tab, you'll need to get with me because we'll need to troubleshoot what you need to click or change in your background under your edit settings. It took me a while, and it took some messaging back and forth with other consultants to finally figure that out. So, but this is how to add to your shop and manage your shop. I highly recommend that if you have a teenager or a child or a young person that wants to earn some money, take mine anyway, why not make them work? Have them do the groundwork for you, because the first part of this is going to be tedious, but once it's done, it's just about maintenance. When we have a catalog change, I actually have to do some maintenance. So here we go. So we're going to click on shop, and so you'll see I actually started by creating a collection, and those are fall prints. I need to go in and delete. Some of our prints stay the same, some of them don't. So for example, we still have some of the options in the canvas here that you'll see. So it just means that I need to go in, and I also want to make some more collections. Like I'll do purses or for work or jewelry, things like that. But I actually have a teenager that needs to earn some money. And she's going to help me get all the spring catalog items in here. So what you do is you'll have a button that says, you won't have all the products here yet, but you'll have a button that says add product. So you will do that. And then I went on TOT, and they give you all the catalog images, and I downloaded them. Hopefully, yes. So I download spring summer catalog photos. You don't want the lifestyle photos, you want the actual images of the individual things. They're so nice because they've taken out all the background for you. So I did the llama. So now I'm going to do this one, and I'm going to choose it. This is why I'm saying it's a little tedious. We're going to use the photo. Now this is the other part. You need to have two browsers open because you want to be able to access your 31 page like you're the customer. And if you have TOT open on your other browser, it's always going to default to that. You won't be able to see it like a customer. And yes, it says senior consultants. So that'll be another conversation. And it's all good. So here, the last one that I just clicked on was Pinwheel Party. So I'm going to, it's really easy. It's just, like I said, takes up some time. We're going to do copy. We're going to go back over here. We're going to do paste. And I know, just because I did the last one, it's $18. And then, oops, we're going to go over here. Why reinvent the wheel? All we're going to do is copy and paste like this. And then we're going to go back over, and we're going to copy the web address for that item. We're going to paste it here. I learned this the hard way. You do not want to share this product on your page, because every time you add a product, if you click that, you're just going to keep posting in. You're gonna spam people with all of the different things that you're posting. So you don't want to do that. When you have your shop all set up, then you want to share your shop. But don't click that. I highly recommend not clicking that. Okay, and you want public visibility. It's about grabbing people from the ocean, bringing them to your pond. So save, and then it takes just a second. And now I should have, yep, thermal tote. So I'm going to be talking to my young person that needs some money about getting the fall prints out. putting the new products in. But that is really how you do your shop. And then you can create collections, and you can, if you've got nurse friends, you can put in some items that nurses might use, or if you have teacher friends, you can do for the teacher. There's so many great options that you can do using this. So if you do not have a public business page on Facebook, we need to get that fixed. And then this is something you can do to help enhance your business. All right, let me know if you have any questions.